Ever wonder why airplane meals taste bland or weird? It's not just bad chefs, it's science. Welcome to Explained in 60 Seconds. At 35,000 feet, your taste buds don't work the same way. The low air pressure and dry cabin air dull your sense of smell by up to 20%, and flavor is mostly smell. That means salty, sweet, and umami tastes are muted. Airlines actually overseason and overspice food to try to fix it, but it's never quite the same. Even the textures change, and crunchy snacks can feel soggy or soft, and don't forget the noise. Studies show loud engines and cabin hum make sweet flavors harder to detect. Combine that with prepackaged meals that have been cooked, chilled, and reheated, and you've got food that tastes like cardboard. Next time you eat on a plane, blame the altitude, not the airline. Your brain is just sabotaging your taste buds 35,000 feet in the air.